Okay, so we have two Raspberry Pis for this demo. We have this Raspberry Pi and we have this Raspberry Pi. Both are connected to our SDN over here. And using this Raspberry Pi, we're going to SSH into this Pi over here, run a temperature sensor data collection through this sensor right here, and then we're going to transfer that file to this system to get the power consumption data as well as the other data from the CSV file. So I'm going to SSH, and now we can see I'm actually in this Pi over here. So I'll CD to the right directory, and then I'll ls to show that we actually have the same files as in here. And then I'm going to run our Python script to gather data. So you can see here that we're gathering data from this sensor using this Raspberry Pi over SDN. You can actually see here that the extra files were created. And to end this program, I'm just going to Control C. And now we could see here that we actually have a CSV file. So if I ls here as well, you can see that we actually have that CSV file too. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to exit the SSH connection, and then I'm going to use SFTP to transfer that CSV file to this main Pi over here. And to do that, I'm going to CD back into that directory. And then if we ls, we could see that from this Pi to that Pi, we're connected. And I want to grab this CSV file right here, so I'm going to do git, and then I'm going to do pi dash, and it'll get that for me. So now it just transferred that file, and we can actually see in our root directory now that we have that Pi's data here. So to close that, I'll quit. Now we're back in, so this disconnected from that, and now we have all the data that we need to do our analysis with the power consumption, and we also got our temperature data and a timestamp as well.